सर।
मेरा तो आज फर्स्ट क्लास है।
यस सर।
कल आरती मंटू सर कल क्या बताए थे वो?
तो परम्यूटेशंस का
इंट्रोडक्टरी
इंट्रोडक्शन
क्लास था सर।
बहुत।
परम्यूटेशन आ गया सीधा।
नहीं सर, इंट्रोडक्टरी क्लास था।
क्या उसमें बताया? इंट्रोडक्टरी में क्या बताया वो?
सर हम लोग का इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ था एक दूसरे से, और फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा कि आज कल से वो हम लोग को परम्यूटेशन पढ़ाएंगे।
परम्यूटेशन देखो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम सिर्फ उन स्टूडेंट का नाम जानना चाहते हैं, नेम तो है मेरे पास, जो आउटसाइडर हैं, मतलब अपने स्कूल के नहीं है। ऐसे कोई स्टूडेंट है?
यस सर।
नाम बताओ।
यस सर। शिखा भारद्वाज।
सर आर्यन कुमार।
भारद्वाज हमारे पापा यहाँ है ना?
सर
फादर क्या करते हैं?
So my father is a police officer.
हाँ यस यस, बात हुई थी उनसे।
Yes.
अच्छा, एंड नेक्स्ट?
सर आर्यन कुमार।
आर्यन फ्रॉम विच स्कूल?
प्राइमस पब्लिक स्कूल मुजफ्फरपुर।
मुजफ्फरपुर, राइट। Anybody finish? Understand your courses, what you have to study, how to study. Mathematics in standard 11 you have to study different topics like set theory. ये सब मंटू सर बताए हैं या नहीं? बता दिए हैं तब तो हम नहीं बताएंगे।
नो सर नहीं बताए हैं।
नहीं बताएं, ठीक। सेकेंड इज ट्रिगोनोमेट्री। ट्रिगोनोमेट्री
सर थोड़ा वीडियो लैग है।
yes. If any problem then ask. Third is algebra and fourth coordinate geometry.
सर
Coordinate geometry.
वीडियो ब्लर दिख रहा है।
Yes.
Video is
सर
not
वीडियो तो फ्रीज हो रहा है।
Is it clear now? Is it clear now?
यस सर।
Yes sir.
Beside this, you have to study some basic part of calculus. Set theory, trigonometry,
Sir, I think
and coordinate geometry. After this, you have to study some basic parts of calculus and statistics. But your major part is trigonometry, algebra, coordinate geometry, and set theory. Your paper will consist 80 marks. 80 marks, and remaining 20 marks depends upon following points. The first, your class assignment, how much you solve, attendance, home assignment, and project, or you can say practical parts, which given later. These all depends upon your performance. That is called internal assessment. So first, it is compulsory to attend all classes because attendance will calculated in each of the class. Each subject teacher have to provide their marks. So you have to attend class regularly. Class assignment, submit given accordingly. Home assignment, it is also given different ways. And projects, 2 projects have been provided to you for 2 semesters. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Set theory.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Set theory is complete new topic. Complete new. Trigonometry, initial part, like trigonometrical identities you have studied, but later it is new. Algebra, new topic. Actually, algebra has been classified in 2 or 3 parts. First, linear algebra, Boolean algebra, classical algebra. Up to standard 10, you have studied only linear algebra. Here you will study classical algebra. And Boolean algebra is in higher classes. So algebra is not a new word, but all the chapters are complete new. Coordinate geometry, you have studied only 1 chapter, that is points, in standard 10. But straight line, pair of straight lines, circles, complete conic section is a new part. Calculus, again new part. Statistics, you have to study after mean median portion. Mean median you have studied in standard 10, but you have to calculate here deviation about mean, deviation about median. Previous knowledge is important. Also, new part, and in standard 11, 12, you need hard work in mathematics to success, because you are not only studying +2, you are also studying to prepare the problems from different competitive exams, right?
Yes, sir.
So just start today.
Yes.
What topic I start? You tell. May I start sets?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Set theory or sets. 1 or 2 things before starting, I like to say, video on YouTube is already in my library, our school library, for classes you have taken in 11A. So if you want, you may see, or this live class, the video or recording of this live class, I will also send it in the group. You may see there. First of all, tell me, have you listened the word set?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Where? Where you have listened?
The combinations of terms.
Understand? Set means what?
The
Combinations.
set of glass. The set of glass in our kitchen.
So what do you
Set of
mean?
books.
What do you mean?
Combination of anything.
Combination of no. Very common word. Set of books, or these are not. Each have heard the name sofa set. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Sofa set, what is sofa set? Sofa set contains a special type of chair and table. Right?
Yes, sir.
My question is, each table belongs to sofa set? क्या
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
No,
क्या
sir.
हर नहीं हो सकता है? Means
नहीं,
a
sir.
particular type of table and a particular type of chairs belongs to sofa set,
Yes, sir.
right? So
Yes, sir.
set is simply collection of well-defined objects. Set is collection of well-defined objects. Now the question arises, what is well-defined? Presently we are in live classes. But when school is running, one room in sitting students 11A, another room allotted to 11B. होता है ना?
Yes,
एक
sir.
रूम के स्टूडेंट बैठते हैं, एक रूम में 11 के स्टूडेंट बैठते हैं. सपोज वन स्टूडेंट यहाँ पर आ गया, 11A से उठकर 11B में आया, किसी से मिलने, फ्रेंड से मिलने. Immediate कहते हैं, सर, this student is not of my class. This student is not of 11B. कहते हैं ना, सर ये क्लास का स्टूडेंट नहीं है. बोलते हैं.
Yes, sir.
What does it mean? इसका ये मतलब हुआ कि this student is not well defined for 11B. It is defined that is a student of standard 11, but not defined for 11B. आवाज आ रही है, थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. सो इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम देन आस्क. जहां नहीं समझ में आए वहां पर पूछो. तो that is particular student is not defined, not well defined for 11B, and that room is a set of students of standard 11B. This room is set of students of standard 11A. Clear हो रहा है meaning of well defined?
Yes, sir.
Now, you suppose timing is 8 AM to 2 PM. So at the evening, suppose it's 5 PM, your room is empty, no student is there. Room is there. So what we say? That this room is allotted to standard 11A, but no student is there. यानी at that time वो set क्या रहता है? Empty रहता है. That set is empty set. So collection of well-defined objects is called a set. Now before proceeding to next part, only one or two basic things. My first question. Suppose we are drawing x6. So how we draw? This is x-axis and perpendicular
Camera is
y.
shut off.
We are drawing axis. Horizontal line we take x-axis and vertical line we take y-axis. My first question, can we consider vertical line as x-axis and horizontal line as y-axis?
No, sir.
क्वेश्चन समझ में आ रहा है सारे लोगों को?
Yes, sir.
For example, जैसे suppose you are drawing the graph of velocity, right? You always take time along x-axis and displacement along y-axis.
Yes, sir.
My question is, may I consider displacement along x-axis and time along y-axis?
No, sir.
Sikha, tell first.
No, sir.
What is the reason?
So because y is the function of x.
Huh?
So because y is functioning along x.
No. Just tell your answer. आप अपना आंसर इस तरह का बनाओ कि सामने वाला कुछ नहीं समझ रहा है. सिंपल. जैसे ही टेक्निकल वर्ड इंक्लूड करोगे हमारे ओर से क्वेश्चन होने लगेगा. काउंटर क्वेश्चन आप नहीं कर पाओगे उसका रिप्लाई. सी, देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ वेरिएबल. You know? Do you know? Two types of variable, do you know? First is independent variable and another is dependent variable. So independent variable and dependent variable. Time is always independent variable, and independent variable will always taken along first axis, which is x-axis. One more independent variable. Do you know? Tell me an example of independent variable other than time. Anybody? हम बता दें.
यस आप ही बताइए.
That is rotation of Earth. Rotation of Earth. You have studied in geography. Time in physics. So independent variable. अब मैथमेटिक्स में कहाँ यूज किया हम बताते हैं. आप स्टैंडर्ड 10 में लीनियर इक्वेशन ग्राफिकल मेथड से सोल्व किए होइएगा. तो वहाँ क्या करते हैं? We take x is equal to 0, then calculate y is equal to this one, then take x is equal to 1, y is equal to this one. So x you take independently. Some students have taken x is equal to 0, someone have taken x is equal to 4, 5 and so on. So first remember that there are two variables, independent variables and dependent. Time is always independent variable. 12 o'clock होगा तो मैथमेटिक्स का क्लास स्टार्ट होगा, है ना? समझ में आया? my second question. Is it clear? This is very fundamental question. This is a very basic question. आप लोग स्टैंडर्ड 6-7 से ही ग्राफ ड्रॉ करते आए हैं, कभी ये क्वेश्चन नहीं आया कि x और y इंटरचेंजेबल है या नहीं, और नहीं है तो क्यों नहीं है? Second question. My second question is, this is quite simple. How many diagonals? How many diagonals of a polygon have 12 sides? Or first tell me 6 sides. 6 sides is called hexagon. So how many diagonals in a hexagon?
Three.
3.
3.
And how many of diagonals having 4 sides?
2.
2. So now tell me how many diagonals in a polygon having 5 sides? Nobody?
3.
Sir, 4.
3 diagonals, 6 sides a polygon, 3 diagonals also. Same.
5.
Sir, 4. Sir, 4.
You know, or just guess. What is diagonal?
5.
What is So now write down the formula. This is a formula. Number of diagonals of a polygon having n sides is n into n minus 3 by 2. Number of diagonals of a polygon having n sides is n into n minus 3 by 2. These are very basic things. You must, where n is number of sides. You must learn it. अभी भी जब आप भाइबा देने आइएगा तो आपसे यही पूछा जाएगा, हाउ मेनी डायगोनल्स ऑफ ए पॉलीगन हैविंग 12 साइड्स. So 12 into 12 minus 3, 9 by 2, 54 diagonals. Easily calculate. See things you know. Now tell me one more question. What is the digit? Listen carefully. What is the digit at unit place in the expansion of 3 to the power 243? What is the digit at unit place in the expansion of 3 to the power 243? All of you must learn, must know this thing. Can you tell me its answer? Shikha Bhardwaj.
Yes, sir.
Do you know its answer?
No,
Yes or no?
sir.
Sir, 3.
See, there is a property of cyclicity. Understand carefully. 3 is to the power 1. The unit place will be 3 to the power 2. The unit place will contain 9.
9.
3 to the power 3. Unit place will be
27.
7.
7.
7.
3 to the power 4. Unit place will be
1.
81.
3 to the power 5. Unit place is
3.
3.
right. Now see, 3, 9, 7, 1, then 3. Again 9, 7, 1, 3, 9, 7, 1, and so on.
Yes, sir.
So what you see, this becomes identical after 4th power. हर 4 पावर के बाद यह सिमिलर हो जाता है. That is called property of cyclicity. So what power you have given, divide it by 4. 4 means why divide by 4? Because it repeats after 4th power. Calculate remainder. So when we divide 243 by 4, then remainder will be 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just to the power 3, what is? हम सिर्फ आज अब आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे, हम सिर्फ आपके बेसिक चीजों को हम समझना चाह रहे हैं कि आपने अभी तक समझा है. Have you studied trigonometry in standard? My question, in standard 10, have you studied trigonometry?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
What is difference? You have also read geometry. So tell me, what is difference between geometrical angle and trigonometrical angle? Suppose I have no idea, then how can you explain me? What is difference between geometrical angle and trigonometrical angle? Don't be silent till you have idea or not idea, you know or don't know.
No idea, sir.
Idea. See,
सर बस ये कि
you have studied
trigonometry में आप
now listen my answer. You have studied geometrical angle and its type. So geometrical angle always lies between 0 degree to 360 degree. Means it is derived on center of a circle. The angle of measure 360 degree is called complete angle. And the angle
Yes,
0
sir.
degree, 0 angle. And then acute or right angle or obtuse angle. Complete trigonometrical angle is derived on axis. Axis means this angle moves from here, here, and so on in anti-clockwise direction as well as clockwise direction. So it means geometrical angle is minus infinity to plus infinity. 1500 degree, this is trigonometrical angle. Minus 1500 degree, because angle moves in both direction. Minus means clockwise and anti-clockwise. अच्छा, ये सब तो क्वेश्चन हो गया, ये समझ में आया? ज्योमेट्रिकल एंगल नेवर बी नेगेटिव, trigonometrical angle is negative as well as positive both. Geometrical angle lies between 0 to 360 degree, but trigonometrical angle minus infinity to plus infinity. This is difference between geometrical angle and trigonometrical angle. अच्छा, एक बहुत छोटा सा क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, माइनस इंटू माइनस इज प्लस, पता है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कैसे होता है, हमको कैसे बताओगे? हम कुछ नहीं जानना है, कैसे बताओगे? Suppose I have no idea. I am a student of standard 5. I am asking, minus into minus starts from standard 5, but graph start from I think 6 or 7. So how can you explain me? In a simple word, simple sentence.
2 minuses makes a plus.
How? छोटा सा एक्सपेरिमेंटल बता दे रहे हैं, एक्सपेरिमेंट। सिंपली हम लोग माइनस को कहते हैं कि उल्टा है और प्लस को सीधा कहते हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
माइनस को उल्टा कहते हैं और प्लस को सीधा कहते हैं। यह पेन है, सामने रख दिए, यह सीधा पार्ट है और यह उल्टा पार्ट है, दिखाई दे रहा है?
Yes,
वीडियो
sir.
आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
ये सीधा पार्ट है और बॉटम में ये उल्टा पार्ट हो गया। हम लोग का हमारा क्वेश्चन था माइनस इंटू माइनस। इंटू को हम लोग एक और वर्ड से यूज करते हैं, ऑफ बोलते हैं ना, बोर्ड मैस। तो माइनस ऑफ माइनस, माइनस को मतलब उल्टा पार्ट को उल्टा कर दिया, माइनस ऑफ उल्टा का उल्टा, ये उल्टा हो गया। अब इसका उल्टा करे क्या हो जाएगा?
सीधा।
सीधा।
यानी माइनस ऑफ माइनस, उल्टा का उल्टा, माइनस इंटू माइनस इज प्लस। ये सब तो बहुत छोटा छोटा चीज है। अच्छा, ये तो आता होगा ना, x to the power 0 any base, 0 power of any base is 1।
Yes, sir.
ये
Yes,
कैसे
sir.
कैसे हो जाता है? ये तो बता दोगे तुम लोग?
सर किसी भी चीज का अगर पावर 0 है तो सर उसका वैल्यू 1 ही होगा।
कैसे होगा? कोई
So because x is multiplying by itself 0 times.
0 times? 0 times means what?
So मतलब x to the power 1 is we are taking x only for one time, and 0 x to the power 0 is we are not taking x for
You all know it, but how this is rule? हम लोग कहते हैं ना कि फॉर्मूला है, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस होता है, फॉर्मूला है। घर में आपके यंगर ब्रदर सिस्टर पूछेंगे तो आप कहते हैं कि ये तो फॉर्मूला है। नो फॉर्मूला, ऑल आर मेकिंग, ऑल आर डिराइविंग सारा डिराइव किया जाता है। x to the power 0, see 0 is equal to difference of two same thing, like m minus m is 0. X to the power 0 should be written as x to the power m minus m, and apply
Yes.
the property, then we write it x m divided by x to the power m. लिख सकते हैं ना?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
और ये कैंसिल होकर क्या हो जाएगा?
1.
समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
ये बहुत बेसिक चीज है।
Yes,
जब
sir.
आप आ जाइएगा और हमको नहीं लगता कि आपको कोई टीचर अभी तक बताए होंगे, या बताए भी होंगे तो आप इग्नोर कर दिए होइएगा कि माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस कैसे हो जाता है। सिंपल से हम आपको बता रहे हैं, आप खुद से करके देख सकते हैं। How geometrical angle differ from trigonometrical angle? How x to the power 0 becomes 1? How we calculate number of diagonals? Why we don't interchange x and y axis? These all are very basic things. In any BHABA, of course, standard 11, 12 also. BHABA तो ऑब्जेक्टिव भी पूछा जाता है ना। कहीं भी आप BHABA दीजिएगा तो आपसे लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन ऐसे टाइप क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा जाता है, आपसे बेसिक चीज पूछा जाता है, आपसे ऑब्जेक्टिव पूछा जाता है। तो ये सब आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन है और ये पहले से आपको जानकारी होनी चाहिए थी। एनीवे, आई थिंक you all understand these things.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And I hope to always remember